Okay, so once when you get your calculator apps, the first thing you're gonna go is go to y equal. Okay, so click on y equal, and then they ask you to input the function. So depend on the function that you want to enter. So I'm gonna enter the function on question number 4, which is x cube. So the question number 4, the function is actually a fraction. So when you have a fraction, make sure you use a parenthesis to separate the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna put a parenthesis and I'm gonna do x to the power 3, okay, and then plus x squared, okay, and then minus 11x. So yeah, minus 11x. The x that you can type is right next to the alpha. Okay, just click this, it's gonna come out with an x. And then the last number gonna be plus 10. So I gotta do plus and then 10. Okay, 10. All right, when you're done the top, make sure you close the parenthesis and then completely close it. If you forgot to close and then you just click divide, your function gonna be wrong. Okay, now when you close, it means that's gonna be numerator and you're gonna divide. Divide what? Divide the denominator. So I open another parenthesis and then x minus 2. So x minus 2. Okay, closes. Okay, so this is my function. So I'm gonna enter. All right, and now you're gonna want to set up your table. So the second thing that you're gonna do is go second and then table setup, which is second on window. So click on second and then go window, and it's gonna be come out with this window like this. Ignore the table star, don't do anything with that. Table equal 1, don't do anything with that. For the independent, instead of auto, you're gonna change to ask, okay? Many of your calculator will be in auto for button, okay? So you change to ask. When you choose the ask, it's gonna become black. So you use the cursor to move the thing around, okay? So move the thing around and then enter, it's gonna become black, okay? And then for the dependent, just choose auto, leave it like that as what it is, okay? Because you want to put in the X value and come out the Y value ultimately. Now, when you set up your table like this, you're gonna go second and then go to graph, which is the table. Okay, it's gonna turn out with the table like this. If you have a physical calculator, they may already have a number. All you need to do is just change your X value. All right, so if I want to evaluate the function that I just entered before, and is that 2? Yeah, closer to 2, opposed to 2 from both sides. Then I'm gonna do on the left side, because if it's 2, so I'm gonna have 2.001. On the right side, it's going to be 2.0001 because this number is greater than 2, so it's on the right side. And the value is 5.007, okay? And then I can do more than that, like 4 of the 0, and then type, oh, it's going to be 5.0007, okay? This one is on the right. How about on the left? What number is closer to 2 on the left? Isn't that 1.999? So I'm gonna do 1.9999 and then I enter. Oh, it come out to be 4.9993. So it's between 4.9993 and 5.0005, I mean 7. It looks like the closest number is 5, right? So it's mean the function opposed to x, I mean the function of the limit of x opposed to 2 is 5. Okay, that is how you do. If you want to type in the negative number, just in on time, I just mentioned that. If you want to type a negative number, make sure you use the button down here, not the subtraction, the button down here. So minus 0.001, 0.001, like this. Okay, it's gonna become down like this. If you use the subtraction, this is gonna be the possibility that you're gonna get. Okay, so this problem is, so for the calculator apps, it's gonna come out with the number because the calculator it actually take over and know that the negative the subtraction is the negative, but your physical calculator will not. And when you do this subtraction, it's going to come out with an error. Okay, so try not to use that. All right.